Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to make a 3D printer. In the beginning, I made a 3D printer from scratch with wood using 28 BYJ motors. It wasn't that accurate. The layers shifted a lot and took forever to print. So I planned to upgrade it with NEMA 14 26mm stepper motors. So I used the 3D printer to print Prusa MK2 parts. They weren't accurate but were good enough to get the job done. I CNC'd the frame but I can cut it with other tools. I painted the board and sprayed a waterproof and weather resistant coating. Now let's make the y-axis with the printed parts. We need two 10mm threaded rods of 360mm, 14 10mm nuts, 22 8mm nuts, the 4 y-axis corner pieces, 14 10mm washers, screw in 2 10mm nuts, 2 washers and 1 10mm nut. Then screw 2 more nuts from each side with washers and place the Y corner pieces. Screw it with 2 more nuts and washers. Copy this on the other rod. Now take 4 8mm threaded rod of 205mm and place the y-axis motor attachment. Take a bearing and place it in the y-axis coupler and screw it in. Attach this to another 8mm threaded rod with washers and nuts. Put the motor attachment and the Y idler rods into the Y corner pieces and screw it in. Take two 330mm long 8mm smooth rods. Adjust the corner pieces and place the smooth rods into the grooves. Tighten only one side with the zip ties. Now take the bed cartridge and zip tie the 8mm linear bearings. Screw in the Y belt holder. Place the bed cartridge into the smooth rods and adjust it and tighten the zip ties. Screw in the motor to the Y-axis motor attachment. Tighten the screws. Now attach the GT2 belt. You can buy the endstops, but if you want to make them, solder the switch to a perforated board, attach a 10 microfarad ceramic capacitor and a 1K resistor. Screw in the end stop to the motor attachment. Stay tuned for the next video where we will be making the X-axis. Thank you for watching.